Before doing the exercises, let's remember how to form the passive structures in short. Simple present tense, the positive form. Subject, verb, object, complement. People speak Chinese in China. The passive form. Object, am is are, verb 3 past participle form, complement. Chinese is spoken in China. Simple present tense, the negative form. Subject, verb not, object, complement. We don't wash the car every week. The passive form. Object, am is are, not, verb 3 past participle form, complement. The car isn't washed every week. Simple present tense. Questions. Do does. Subject. Verb 1. Object. Complement. Do they print the books? The passive form. Am is are. Object. Verb 3. Complement. Are the books printed by them? And samples for WH questions. When are the books printed? Where are the books printed?
Change the sentences into passive.
The flowers are watered by the gardener in the evenings.
The cows aren't milked by Jackie every morning.
Cars are produced in this factory.
Subtitles for foreign movies aren't used by this channel. The internet is used by millions of people every day.
Honey isn't made by wasps. A lot of nature photographs are taken by her at weekends. Newspapers aren't read by most people in Africa.
He is respected by the students.
Cake isn't eaten by most models.
The winners are given a medal by the chairperson.
A medal is given to the winners by the chairperson.
Change the questions into passive.
Is pound used in England?
Where is the novel written?
Are the children treated fairly by the parents?
How is an account created? Are the kids taught by Mrs. Morris at home?
Why is a tower built in our neighborhood? Is your car repaired by the mechanic?
Who is Mrs. Brown helped by? Isn't the festival celebrated every year?
In what county is Thai spoken?
Before doing the exercises, let's have a review of the passive forms briefly. Simple past tense. Positive form. Subject. Verb 2. Object. Complement. Someone stole my wallet yesterday. The passive form of simple past tense positive. Object. Were. Verb 3, past participle, and the complement. My wallet was stolen yesterday. Simple past tense, negative form. Subject, did not. Verb, object, complement. Lucy didn't break the glasses on purpose. The passive form of simple past negative. Object, were not. Verb 3 past participle, complement. The glasses weren't broken on purpose. Simple past tense. Questions. Did. Subject. Verb 1. Object. Complement. Did the gardener plant the flowers? The passive form. Were. Subject. Verb 3. Complement. Were the flowers planted by the gardener? And samples for WH questions. How were the flowers planted? Where were the flowers planted?
Change the sentences into passive.
The house was sold last year.
Jurassic Park wasn't made by Spielberg in Europe. My mistakes were corrected by the teacher.
The books weren't given back by Nick. The chairperson was elected by the members of the golf club.
The telephone wasn't invented by Thomas Edison.
The bathroom was cleaned by John.
The fire alarm wasn't tested by the electricians.
The telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell.
The cat wasn't bitten by our dog.
Change the questions into passive. Was this car used for your trips?
Who was America discovered by?
Were we told what to do?
Where were the sandwiches left?
Were the toys put under the bed?
Why was the kitchen sink filled with dirty dishes?
Wasn't the front door closed?
When was the parcel sent?
Were the cars stopped by the police?
What was stolen from your house by the thieves?
Please visit and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exercises and subject explanations.